Hey, today I'll show you how to delete a folder which can't be deleted. I tried so many times and always it says this is no longer located, verify the item location and try again. You press and try again, nothing happens. Believe me, I tried so many times. I have created this folder in 2022, so when we are in 2025. So let's see how can we delete that folder. I wish I knew that sooner. Open CMD and right click on it, but open it as administrator. So press on run as administrator, and now you have to paste it, this command. I will give it to you and you'll find it in the description of the video. Let's also copy the folder path, copy as path, and now let's paste here path. Delete the quotations, you don't need them anymore. Alright, now hit enter, and now what you have to do, press Y to delete it. Let's press it together, press enter, and now the item has been deleted. Oh man, I'm so glad. Can I find it in the recycle folder? No, it just has been deleted forever. I'm so glad as I created that 3 years ago. I really wish I knew this sooner. I really hope I help you, and I hope you have a great day.